Cakes are everyone's all-time favorites, and it becomes better if you add fruit to it. Yes, you guessed it right. This is a fruit cake. Namaste viewers, and welcome to my channel Soulful Indulgence. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bake an eggless banana cake. So let's get started by first preparing the cake tin. Here, I am using a 7-inch round aluminium tin. Then grease it with butter or ghee. Greasing the pan and dusting it with flour will prevent the cake from sticking to the pan. If you are still not comfortable with that, then you can line the tin with butter paper after greasing it, just the way I am doing it. Next, take one ripe banana, cut and mash it. You don't have to make a paste of it. A few banana chunks here and there will add more flavor to your cake. Mash it with a steam masher or a fork or even with your clean fingers. The mashed banana is now ready. Now before you make the cake batter, it is important to preheat the oven and keep it ready. We will now mix all dry ingredients. Here I am taking 1½ cup of Maida. To make it more healthy, you can also replace it with wheat flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. And then sift the flour. Sifting breaks any lumps in the flour. It also combines all the dry ingredients well. Sifted flour is much lighter than the unsifted flour, so always sift the flour. Now, in another bowl, take 40 grams of softened unsalted butter and whisk it till it's fluffy and white. I am using an electric whisker. You can do the same with a regular hand whisker. Add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar to it and mix it well. Now add mashed banana and mix well. Whisk it a little with a whisker. Now slowly add dry ingredients to it and mix it well. Check out the description box for a recipe of this cake as well as links to the products I have used in this video. Add raw milk. Keep adding raw milk a little at a time to get the desired consistency of the batter. I have used around ½ cup of milk to make this batter. Add ½ teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix well. You can also use banana essence instead of vanilla essence. While making a cake, please remember that all the ingredients are at room temperature. By that, I mean ingredients like butter, milk, or if in case you use condensed milk, it should never be cold. All of them have to be at room temperature. Unlike other cakes, the batter of banana cake has to be little thick. Check for thick ribbon consistency. Looks like our batter is now ready. Let's transfer it now into the cake tin. Always fill the cake tin in such a way that it is only half filled with batter. If you add more batter, then it will take more time to bake, and in that process, it would possibly be overbaked at the bottom while staying raw on the inside. Gently tap the tin to remove any air pockets that can cause uneven texture to the cake. Smooth out the top a little. Now let's put it in a preheated oven and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for around 35 to 40 minutes. It's been 40 minutes now, so let's check our cake. Our cake is ready. I have let the cake cool down a little before taking it out of the tin. Gently peel the butter paper and flip it back. You might have noticed a crack on top of the cake. Well, that happens when the batter is dense. And as you know, the batter of banana cake has to be thicker than the usual cake's batter. So it's okay. See how delicious, soft and spongy our banana cake has turned out to be? Whenever you start to bake or cook, think of your loved ones and imagine their happy faces when they eat what you have cooked or baked with love. Do try my recipe and share your experience in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.